What's up guys, I'm Ian. Welcome to another part of the report in this channel.
So today we're gonna go to Yuen Tsuen Ancient Trail section 2. As you can see, it is in cemented stairs in the first part. Very soon you will see the first pavilion there. As the whole route has 12 kilometers, you can see some supply stations like Qingfaiton. But it isn't tough at all, so we don't need to get rest there. And anyway, don't get a wrong way to go to the ending point. As you can see, the road is very clean and new, so it doesn't like an ancient trail at all. It's quite easy to walk, but anyway, don't get the wrong way to go to the ending point. This staircase is a bit tough, so you need to get enough rest. Finally, you don't need to walk the staircase, and the view became better and better. Very soon we'll arrive to the highest point for today's trip, and that is the SEC2 Pavilion. Also, you can take some photos there. However, I didn't up to the SEC2 hill as I didn't do a lot of preparation for it. Lastly, you just need to walk through the cemented road to end your trip.
And this is almost the end of the journey, and let's have a conclusion for it.
It is quite easy to walk and it is good for kids and elderly, but the distance is a bit long. It has 12 kilometers, and also if you want to walk on an ancient trail, I didn't recommend this route because it is really new and clean, and it doesn't like an ancient trail at all. Finally, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell button to subscribe my channel. See you!